So my Avon has arrived and I thought I'd unbox it in front of you, and also the new catalogue's out, so I'm just going to go through that with you and show you what I've spotted in there and ordered. Firstly, that's the bag from Storm. This is the traveller bag. It's a suitcase. I think it's called Traveller. I'll put underneath what it is called. Look, there goes a suitcase there. A nice pocket bit there at the front. The Storm label at there. Storm label. Nice lining inside. Very spacious. And so it's also got handles and an adjustable strap. Now this is currently I bought this at £22 in Brochure 13. It's currently still available as the new price of £55. But 22 wasn't bad in Brochure 13. I hope some of you actually took my recommendation and actually ordered it as well. So I'll show you what is also available in Brochure 14. It's another Storm bag at a very reasonable price. I'll show you that in a second. These are a couple of things I've ordered as a result of recommendations by you. Readers of my blog, viewers of my YouTube, Instagram. This beauty actually is known for repelling mosquitoes. Skin's so soft, and it has quite a reputation for that. I had no idea. Apparently this Skin So Soft is actually absolutely iconic, because not only is it a dry oil moisturiser, but it also repels insects, mosquitoes and so on. So it's iconic. Look it up online. I think across America and the UK, people have been using this for years as a mosquito repellent. But I heard a lady yesterday and she said she sprays it around the house as well. So there we go. That's dry oil, but it does have it has quite an old-fashioned smell. But it smells like talcum powder. Old-fashioned talcum powder. That's why it's the original, because it's original scent to that. Anyway, with jojoba oil, so nice and moisturising. So that's one thing. Another item I bought at a recommendation of somebody, the Anew's Dual Elixir, which is supposed to be an absolutely super duper anti-aging elixir.
I don't know that one.
Not Alexa. Elixier. Elixier. Not Alexa. Naughty Alexa.
Avon Products Incorporated is a direct selling company in beauty, household, and personal care categories. It's the 5th largest beauty company.
Have you finished? Yes, I think so. Right, let's go on with it. So this dual elixir, and it mixes. Oh, you can't see. Oh, yes, you can. Look, got two serums there, and it mixes when you pump. And I saw somebody, can't remember who it was, so they've used this for years, and it's a real good dupe for something that's a lot more expensive. So I thought that was worth a try. Anew Ultimate Supreme Dual Elixir, the Brochure 14 in the UK. I'm quite interested in these lipsticks, the Featherlight matte look lipsticks, because they might be a good long-lasting alternative to a matte, which is quite aging at my age. So Featherlight matte actually might be youngifying. Only £6, so I thought I might give those a try. I need some samples though to see what colours I get. Yeah, these look quite good. They're not in my size. They're available they massage your feet as you wear them. They weren't available in my size. £18, and that is the Walk and Sculpt. Look at that. Look at that. So if you like your Kat Von D's eyeliners and lip liners, but don't want the Kat Von D price, there you go. So my Brochure 14's order arrived. It arrived the day 2 days after Brochure 14 came out, because I went straight on to my daughter's online account. I ordered and Avon just delivered it straight to me, and they could do exactly the same thing to you if you're in the UK. So the very next day I had my order. A fan makeup brush, because I don't have one. £4. It's come nicely protected. And there we go. I wanted to try a fan makeup brush, and at £4, quite a good way of trying it, don't you think? I also ordered Avon After Sun. You might think that's a funny time of year to do that, but I've heard other people recommend this Aloe After Sun cooling gel, and they say they use it when they're having a hot moment and you're, you know, so we just put it on there because it cools you down. Put it on your forehead, you know, when you're having a hot moment. So I thought that'd be quite good for the office, or, you know, around the house, whatever. So that cooling, it's Avon's Care Sun Plus After Sun, but I've got it as a cooling agent. I'm actually going to keep in the lounge, because often in the winter when the heating's on, I will just have a hot flush moment. The lounge is where I need this for the evenings by the settee, where I can just say, right, cool myself off by putting some of this gel on. Perfect. Mark Perfect Brow, because I do not use anything on my brows, because as you can see I've got quite thick brows anyway. I don't. But what I do need to do is sometimes tame them. So I thought that this is a cheap way of actually trying something that might tame them. Now I've gone for blonde, as my hair's gone blonder and my brows are dark, so I didn't want dark. So I thought blonder might help, sort of tone them back into the colour of my hair now. My hair's lighter. Lastly, I was so impressed by that Storm bag that I got for £22, but it's now £55. That I thought I would very quickly get the other one by Storm, which is a crossbody, which is still available at £18. And like the satchel style travel one, this has got an adjustable strap. Very classy looking, isn't it? And a nice crossbody. Nice crossbody size. I'll show you. I'll just show you. So that's the crossbody. Look, isn't that a nice length? That's really classy looking for £18. But it's Storm anyway, so it would be quite classy. But you know that. Who would say you got that Storm bag from Avon? It's got the Storm logo on it there. Not a metal logo. It's just sort of in the pleather. It's pleather, I think, not leather. It's got these 2 gel packs inside. Get rid of them. And waterproof inside. Waterproof lining. Got the zip bit in there. And it's got a little pocket there for, I don't know, whatever you can put there. Money, keys, whatever. Lipstick. I tend to use those for lipstick. £18. So, if you want style quite cheaply, there you go. So, that is run through the catalogue by showing you actually what I've already bought. So, catalogue 14's currently out. If you need a online agent in the UK and have Avon just send it direct to you, then I will have a link to Chloe's shop down below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe.